Hello students and welcome to Standard 8th Mathematics Digital class. Today we will study compound interest. In the previous year we have studied how to find out simple interest. So can you tell me students what is the formula for finding simple interest? So simple interest is denoted by SI or simply capital I. Simple interest is equal to P multiplied by R multiplied by N upon 100, right? Where this P is principal, R is rate of interest or rate, N is number of years. This year we will learn how to find compound interest. Let's understand this. Now let's understand this with an example. Suppose principal amount P is equal to rupees 1000. Okay. Rate of interest R is 10% and number of years is 1 year. So can we find out the simple interest? Yes. So what is the formula here? SI equals to P multiplied by R multiplied by N upon 100. Now we will substitute all these values. So this is equal to 1000 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 1 upon 100. Now this is equal to how much it is? You can cancel these zeros. So this is equal to rupees 100. So it means if we invest or deposit rupees 1000 in a bank where rate of interest is 10 and number of years is 1, that is we are keeping the amount for 1 year, we will get an interest of rupees 100. So by the end of 1 year, what amount we will have? So we have the formula amount equals to P plus I. Now let's substitute. P is 1000 rupees plus I is 100 rupees. So it means by the end of 1 year, we will have altogether 1100 rupees. After 1 year, if we do not withdraw the amount, it will become principal amount for the next year. So for the next year, our principal amount will be rupees 1100. Rate of interest will remain same as 10% and suppose the number of year, that is we are keeping the amount for next year, that is 1 year only. Okay, so now again we can find out the simple interest. So this is equal to, we'll substitute in the formula, P is equal to 1100 multiplied by R is equal to 10 and number of year again 1 upon 100. After cancelling the zeros, we will get this is equal to 110 rupees. So that is, at the end of second year, we will get an interest of rupees 110, right? So therefore, amount after 2 years will be 1100 plus 110, which is 1210 rupees, right? So if we continue in this way for the next year, the principal amount will be 1210 rupees, right? And again we will get some more amount as interest. The interest given by this method is called as compound interest. Okay. Now we will see the formula to find amount received after n years on principal P at rate of interest R. So the formula is A equals to P multiplied by bracket 1 plus R upon 100 raised to power n. So where this A is amount, P is principal, R is rate of interest and N is number of years. Now this is the formula for finding amount. So what is CI equals to? CI, that is compound interest. So CI equals to A minus P. Okay, so this two formula we will be using for solving exercise 14.1. Okay, so let's see the first question. The first question in practice set 14.1 is a table given here. Okay, now we have to find the amount and the compound interest. So we will solve one question out of this table. Now for the first question, principal amount is rupees 2000, rate of interest is 5% per annum, duration or number of years is 2 years. So let's find out the amount and the compound interest. We have written the given. Now we'll write down the formula first. Formula is A equals to P multiplied by 1 plus R upon 100 raised to power n. Okay, so let's substitute the values. This is equal to P is rupees 2000 in bracket 1 plus R is 5%. So 5 upon 100 raised to power n is 2. So we have substituted all the given. Now we will solve it. So this we can write it as 5 1 times, 5 20 times. So we will get 21 upon 20 square. Okay. So now let's square it. So 21 square is 21 multiplied by 21 upon 20 square is 20 multiplied by 20. Okay. So now here we can cancel the zeros. So after cancellation we will get 5 multiplied by 21 multiplied by 21. After multiplication we will get 2205 rupees. Okay, so this is the amount that we will get after 2 years. So what is the compound interest? Compound interest formula is A minus P, where A is amount, P is principal. So compound interest is equal to A minus P, right? Now A is 2205, P is 2000. So after subtraction we will get rupees 205. Okay, so this is how we can find out the amount and compound interest. Okay.